Hello, good morning children. How are you? I am Shashi Rohatgi. Today we will start a new chapter, Chapter 3, the digestive system. Children, we eat different types of food. Why we eat different types of food? Because food gives us energy to do work. But to give energy, the food has to first change into simpler form. For this purpose, our body has a system called digestive system. The organ of digestive system. The process by which food changes into a form of body can use is called digestion. Digestion starts in the mouth. Look this figure. This one. This one. This. Digestion starts in the mouth. Other organs that make the digestive system are food pipe, this is food pipe, stomach, liver, large intestine and small intestine. First, the mouth. The process of digestion starts in the mouth. The process of digestion starts within the mouth. With the first bite of food, we cut the food into small pieces. And this one, look here, this is the mouth. Digestion starts within the mouth. We cut the food into small pieces with the help of teeth and chew it well. The salivary gland in the mouth release saliva, which helps the food, which helps to mix the food and make it slippery. Saliva contains digestive enzymes which start digestion. Saliva contains digestive juice which start digesting the carbohydrate of food. We should chew the food well because proper chewing helps in swallowing the food easily into food pipe. बच्चों, यहाँ मैं आपको समझा रही हूँ कि अगर हम लोग अच्छी तरह से प्रॉपरली फूड को च्यू कर नहीं खाएंगे तो हमें स्वैलिंग में मुश्किल होगी और ये इजली फूड पाइप से होकर स्टमक में आने में प्रॉब्लम होगी. अक्सर देखा होगा कभी कभी जब आप लोग बड़े बड़े कॉर्ड लेकर खाने शुरू कर देते हैं तो खांसी आने लगती है, जिसे हम लोग हिकअप कहते हैं. ये फूड पाइप में आकर फंसने लगता है, उसे नीचे की ओर मूव करने में प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. फॉलो. अ वेल च्यूड फूड इज डाइजेस्टेड प्रॉपरली. च्यूइंग हेल्प्स इन रिलीज टू मोर सैलिवा फ्रॉम सैलिवरी ग्लैंड. बच्चों, जितनी अच्छे से आप अपने खाने को चबाएंगे, च्यू करेंगे, उतना ही सैलिवा जो है, सैलिवा को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं, लार, है ना, उतना ही सैलिवा सीक्रेट होगा, प्रोड्यूस होगा और आपका खाना जो है अच्छे से इजीली डाइजेस्ट होगा. च्यूइंग मेक्स आवर गम स्ट्रॉन्ग. जितना च्यू करेंगे आपका गम जो है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा. फॉलो. From the mouth, this part, from the mouth, food reaches the stomach through food pipe. Mouth से food pipe के द्वारा कहाँ आता है, स्टमक में. It is also called esophagus. Stomach is also called esophagus. Food pipe is tube-like structure Food pipe is a tube that connect mouth with the stomach. Look this figure. Food pipe connect mouth to the stomach. Mouth with the stomach. It is also called esophagus. The food pipe slide down the food in a wave-like motion and passes it into the stomach. बच्चों, यहाँ पर इस फूड पाइप में एक वेव लाइक तरंग की तरह एक मोशन होता है जिसे हम पेरिस्टाल्सिस कहते हैं, और इसी धीरे 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 ये फूड पाइप में जो है पेरिस्टाल्सिस होता है और खाना जो है धीरे धीरे फूड मूव करता हुआ कहाँ आता है? स्टमक में. डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड डज नॉट अकर इन फूड पाइप. In food pipe there is no digestion. Stomach. The stomach is a J shape. This is J shape. J-shaped bag-like structure. Here the food stay for 3 to 4 hours. The digestive glands of stomach release digestive juice. The stomach churns the food into fine paste and mixes the digestive juice with it. Some nutrients of food are digested in the stomach. Stomach in partial digestion takes place in stomach. Stomach में complete digestion नहीं होता है. Stomach में केवल partial digestion ही होता है और केवल कुछ nutrients, some nutrients of food are digested in the stomach. Stomach passes the food into simpler form to the small intestine. This is your small intestine. Now we start small intestine. Small intestine is a long, very long, 6 meter long, 6 to 7 meter long. Your mummy's sari, just like your mummy's sari. Length of your mummy's sari, 6 meter long. Small intestine is long, coiled, tube-like structure. It mixes the digestive juice of liver. This is the liver. Liver does not take place in digestion, but it activates the digestion. It mixes the digestive juice of liver and pancreas. This is pancreas. Here in this portion a leaf-like structure is present. This leaf-like structure is called pancreas. Pancreas produce pancreatic juice with food and digests rest of the food nutrients. In a small intestine, all the nutrients of the food digested into the simpler form. Thus the food gets digested completely here, and nutrients are taken into the blood and carried here in small intestine. Complete digestion takes place here, and the nutrients are taken into the blood and carried to all the cells of the body. Small intestine passes the undigested, not digested, passes the undigested part of the food to large intestine. This is the large intestine. Large intestine. The large intestine is a tube-like structure. It absorbs water. It absorbs water from the undigested part of food and changes it into feces or stool, potty. Undigested in large intestine, undigested food convert into feces or stool. This one, last one, this one is rectum. Rectum is the end part of the large intestine. It opens outside the body through an opening called anus. This is rectum, or this part is anus. The rectum holds the feces from some times, then forces it out through the anus. Any problem? Your lessons has finished, but I want to tell you more need of regular bowel movement. Passing the feces out from the body is called bowel movement. The regular bowel movements are necessary because if feces is kept in the body for long, it will harm the body and cause constipation. बच्चों, यहाँ मैं आपको हिंदी में बता रही हूँ कि बॉबल मूवमेंट होना यानी पॉटी का एक समय होता है। रेगुलर पॉटी जाना बहुत ज़रूरी है। अगर आप रेगुलर बॉबल मूवमेंट नहीं होता है तो ये आपकी बॉडी के लिए बहुत हार्मफुल होगा और ये आपको कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो जाएगा। द रफेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ फूड helps in easy bowel movements and cleanses the digestive system. Roughage means sattu, fruits, juicy fruits, dry fruits. इन सब चीज़ों को लेना चाहिए जिससे आपका पेट साफ रहे और एक फिक्स टाइम पर पॉटी के लिए ज़रूर समय बनाना चाहिए ताकि आपका बॉडी जो है वो हैबिचुएटेड हो जाए और आपका पेट जो है बिल्कुल साफ रहे। थैंक यू। आई विल गिव होमवर्क ऑन टेनो। वॉच दिस वीडियो एंड डू होमवर्क। थैंक यू।